ia ka majai kungkaran.
Nongpo MLA Mayralborn Syiem has said that the government should pursue the enactment of Mrssa amendment. Speaking to media persons, Syiem said that the implementation of the Mrssa will be more or less like ILP, as different departments such as Tourism and Labour Department would set up entry and exit gates to keep a record of people who are entering the state. MHA has expressed concern over some provisions of the Mrssa, and the matter has been forwarded to the state government for examination.
Waiting for the implementation of inner line permit in the state. We have seen recently NGOs has come out to check the entrance of illegal labor or migrant workers within the state. Having said so, I am of the opinion that we should pursue more. I have been in touch with the government also to pursue His Excellency the Governor of Meghalaya. After thoroughly examine, he should give his assent to the Meghalaya Resident Security and Safety Amendment Bill 2020.
Deputy Chief Executive Member and